Oh, God. He won't. I got it. He's not standing still. No, he's not. He won't stay. He won't stay. There he is. Oh, that's an ugly thing. He won't. He's flying around like a maniac. My hat on in case he poops on my head. He's right there. You can open the door. See him? I think the noise brought him out. Here, take this out of here, please.
That thing's huge.
I'm gonna throw this on him like a gladiator. They have rabies, you know. I think I got him. Nope. You know what I need is a net. Oh, there he is down there. Mike, what's your iPad doing in here? What? Please don't. Oh. His beak is open.
Where is he?
Oh, I got him underneath the blanket.
Now what are you going to do to...
I don't know where he is, though.
Wait, is he under the sheet?
He's under the sheet.
Michael, help him get him.
I know.
I don't want to step on that. You know, we may just have to let him loose in the house.
What?
You think it'll bite through the sheet? Crap ball? Oh, he's right there. Dad, Dad, there's a... Dad, you can eat. No, Dad, don't grill it out. Squeeze hard.
Oh! Oh! Okay. I got him. Open.
What?